It's a new bike. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Siamak and today we have something new. It's a new foldable electric bike, the Honbike, and I just got it a few days ago, but today I'm gonna unpack it and assemble it. So I'm really excited about this one. Let's get started. Alright, there we go. Let's see. So first we're gonna try to get everything out of the box. The saddle. Alright, and the battery. We won't be needing that soon, so I'm gonna put them away for now. Alright. And this we can use to put the bike above it. Alright, let's see. Come and have a look. See? Here's the bike with all the parts. Alright, this is the accessory and toolbox. We're gonna need it soon. Alright, now I'm gonna lift up the bike. And see. Let's see. Alright, there we have it. Let's see, the rear fender. Okay, and put them here. And now the bike itself comes out. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna put the bike here. Alright, let's lay this down. Alright, we're gonna take the rear wheel. As you see, this bike is in the black and red combination. Okay, let's put this like this. Yeah. And then we have to find the right screws. Here's a manual and a quick start guide. I see. Alright, let's continue. The pedals. So we have mounted the rear bike and the back fender, and now we can lift the bike up. Let's see, oh, here you can grab it, I see. Okay, let's see. And then I suppose there should be a kickstand right here. Let's see, oh, here's kickstand. Yeah, there we go. Now we can fully attach the rear fender on this side. Let's sit down. Oh, I need a bigger tool. Alright, there we go. Not only they have provided the user manual, but there's also a video with instructions on how to put everything together. So that's really great, and probably also necessary. So why did I go for the foldable bike? I think it makes it much more compact, and I can put it also in the trunk of the car. So sometimes when I don't expect I need it, I can just take it with me, and when I can grab the bike and use that instead of the car. So that's probably the main use I will have out of it. And I think also for my work, sometimes I have to do home visits. Usually I do them by car, but if it's not so far, I could also grab the bike out of the trunk and then do it by bike. Alright, so we'll continue to the next step. Let's remove all the foam. There we go. Here we go. So now we're going to lift the stem gently and be careful of all the cables. Let's bring this alright, here we go. That's it. Alright, now it's looking more like a bike. Alright, next step, the folding pedals. Let's see, L and R, they are labeled, so that can help out a little bit. Let's see how this works. It's a bit more difficult than I expected. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Alright, yeah, that's what I thought. This is actually the first time that I'm assembling a bike on my own. So far so good. Alright, there we go. That's the first pedal. Now the second. You have to be really patient with this. There we go. So the pedals are installed. Great. Let's see, next step. Right, the next step is the saddle and the seat post. Beautiful red, I don't know, it feels like leather, but probably it's not real leather. I need 4 screws. Right. Until I saw this project, I didn't know actually that there were electrical folding bikes. So that was a nice surprise. I've had used a folding bike before. I think it was a few years ago. I borrowed it from some friends, and I had an internship in a different city, and in that city I needed to take a bus to the hospital, so I thought maybe it's better if I use a folding bike, and it proved itself, it was really good, but it was a heavy bike, and of course it didn't have any electrical support back then. And this bike has a lot of features, so I'm really curious about them and how they will actually function. Alright, so we're gonna install the battery. I saw the video and now I know how to do it, I think. Okay, so we bring this down. Alright, and then insert the big battery. Well, probably it has to go like this. doesn't click. There you go. And then move this up. Now it's ready. All right. All right, there we go. So first impressions, I think it looks great. I chose this black with red color combination. I think white's a bit boring and will show every dirt quickly, so yeah. And probably now I have to charge the battery first, but maybe I can take this out and give it a try even without a battery. Alright guys, I hope I will enjoy this bike a lot. And I must say it feels good when you assemble something yourself, so it will give you some more bonding with the object. Alright guys, I'm gonna get rid of this mess, charge the battery, and then get outside to test the bike. See you soon. Alright, let's try it out. Wow. Do you see the smile? It's great. Even on the rough terrain, it does a great job. Alright, I must say my first experience, I like it. It's powerful. It has of course different levels of assistance, but I just tried it out and even the first level is enough. It's almost flat here, so great. Now I'm gonna put it in the trunk, see how that goes. Let's pick it up right here. See? There we go. Alright. That's it. I did it.